My job description is mostly, going into properties, identifying hazardous trees that are, a hazard to the structure, living structure, anything that's, completely burned, dead. What I'm looking for is 50% of the tree burned and no signs of living, leaves or anything like that, no foliage, the canopy is completely burned.
So hazard tree removal is an important part of the debris removal mission because we are more concerned about the safety of the public and existing and future structures. And that's the biggest reason why we're here evaluating and removing hazard trees.
As I enter the property, I'm looking at the tree, I'm looking at the canopy, I'm looking at I'll go ahead and do a 360 walk around. I'm checking the cambium, the roots, if there's any cavities, any defects, any structure defects or anything like that. So if we identify any trees that are qualified for removal, we'll go ahead and put a flag and we'll paint them blue and we'll put a tag at the bottom by the roots. And that's how people will identify a tree that's eligible for removal.
So USACE has brought in several arborists to help us evaluate the health of trees within the Eaton fire burn area. The importance of that is that we're looking for trees that may not survive for the next 5 years or may die in the next 5 years. We want to make sure we get those trees out so that they're not a hazard to the public moving forward as they rebuild this area. I can't speak for the rest of the Corps employees that are here, but those of us that are here in the red shirts all volunteered to be here, and we're just happy to be a part of hopefully the rebuild of this community.